Bohol province, which is they have a chocolate hills in this place. I visit Bohol province not because of the tourist spot. I visit Bohol province because of the farm. I wanna learn how to plant things.
This is the life here in Bohol. Mga katuruan.
After planting rice, this is the first
Pero
step.
after neto, may hugasan. Saan ako maghugas? Saan ako maghugas?
Ha?
May hugasan dito.
May ano dyan. Great yan.
Step before planting, so they need to make it straight the line.
Hindi yung chocolate hills ang pinunta namin dito, kundi ang farmer life.
And now we're going to the third step.
Ito yung before planting, diba? Okay. Guys, this is before planting. You need to take this like this. I'll teach you how to be a farmer. As you can see, this one, you take this like this. Like this, as you can see, and then you make it pag-pag like this, pero kulang pa yan. I need to make more, get more. Walang linta dito ya, but sure. So this, okay, this is enough. Tama ba yan? Basta tali ko na yan. Ano na yan. Then, you use this. Use this, guys. Yeah. Get like this. And turn. This one. Like this.
And this is the final how to planting rice. Guys, I'm really enjoying planting rice here in Bohol. Actually, all the people here, they are so kind. If you really want to learn how to planting rice, they really teach you. Yes, and they teach you from beginning, step by step, till the end. So guys, you can see I know how to planting rice.
This how you planting the rice.
Ah.
This.
English ko, galing ko Japan.
So, this is the life here in farm. I'm just planting. I can be a farmer.
Kailangan may sabon.
No, I'm not maarte, kuya.
Masira yung kutis.
Okay, wow. Look.
Bilang isang magsasaka, hindi madali ang buhay dito sa bukid. Kaya ayan guys, thank you for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo sa pagta-travel na ito. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video, huwag mong kalimutan at i-share at i-subscribe.